Good afternoon, everybody. This short video is going to show you how to exit the virtual classroom of Adobe Connect. The video is made for the purpose of the guest lecture, which is going to take place on December 21, 2016. It is part of the ongoing course on environmental justice and sustainable development and deals with the question of varieties of sustainability and varieties of capitalism. The guest lecturer is going to be Dr. Stefan Cetkovic. As you can see by the presentation which has been sent out, you are getting already quite detailed information of what kind of hardware is required as well as software. I'm going quickly to walk you through of what you have to do to make sure that every information that is absolutely required is quickly dealt with. So for a start, the most important part is the software. I assume that those who are watching the video are going to use a laptop with a headset and not the mobile device. The mobile device is also a working opportunity but not properly tested. So what you have to do basically is you go on slide number 3, and here you find a link to the add-in of Adobe Connect, and you simply click on the link and are going to be transferred to the Adobe website. And here you are going to see the possibility to click on the distribution that you are using. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to go to the add-in of Windows, but as you see, there's also Macintosh, Ubuntu Linux and Red Hat Linux. So it works for basically every operating system which exists in the field. So if you click on this, actually the download routine is started and your browser is going to save a zip file which contains the installation routine for Adobe Connect add-in. This is an exe file, as you know it from every other freeware program you can install on your computer. So you unzip the file that is downloaded and then double click on the exe file, and Adobe add-in, Adobe Connect add-in is going to be installed on your computer. What follows then is pretty simple. You go on the first page of the invitation PowerPoint and click on the Adobe Connect link, and then your browser is opening the landing page. Here you simply type in your first name, or as said, whatever name suits you well, and you click on the button below. Your add-in is going to be opening by itself, a window which you can recognize simply by the green-black colored icon on top, and you are asked to wait until you get approval to enter the classroom. As soon as this is granted, you are going to be transferred to the next page, which is already the virtual classroom. It looks like this. Maybe slightly different in terms of the presentation, but generally this is the virtual classroom. You find on top a tab which is called Meeting, and the first thing you are going to do when entering the virtual classroom, you go on this tab and you run the assistant, the audio assistant, in order to check that all your devices are working properly. If they do, this is all what you have to do. Very generally, if you want to ask a question during the presentation or generally after, you just click on the button on top, and if you do so, you are raising your hand, and the presenter has the right and possibility to give you speaking rights as soon as questions are possible. After that, you are going to lose the possibility to speak and going to receive the answer. You see a chat function on this side And also, if you click on the drop-down menu, you are going to see several emojis which you can use to express your opinion or give information about your status. If you have received speaking rights, what is happening is that another icon appears on top, which is between the loudspeaker and the status symbol, which you, as said, can use to raise your hand to express emotions. And this simply you need to click on, and after that you have speaking rights. So this is it pretty much. There are many more tools, but not of interest for simple participation. I hope to see you in the guest lecture. If you have any questions or problems in terms of installing the add-in or furthermore, do not hesitate to send me an email. And if not, I hope to see you soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.